Station KC-43 will be up shortly.
This is a test with the Tsunami Warning Center in Alaska, brought to you by the National Weather Service, Alaska Division of Homeland Security and Emergency Management, and the Alaska Broadcasters Association as part of the Tsunami Awareness Week in Alaska. We appreciate your participation in this test and ask you to provide feedback online at tsunami.gov/test. With the cooperation of broadcasters, cable operators, and emergency management agencies, this system informs you of tsunami events that pose an immediate threat to your life, health, or property. If this has been an actual emergency requiring immediate action or evacuation, the official messages would follow the alert tone. Again, the internet address to reply is tsunami.gov/test. This is a test. No tsunami warning is in effect. Repeat.